Cheers. Whew, absent friends. Chaga coffee. I only had a mouthful of this. The rest of it went in me stew, which is, I got some grass-fed beef from a farmer's market. We've got, it's all organic and it's all from a farmer's market. There's potatoes, carrots, parsnips, onions, garlic, mushroom, thyme, bit of Himalayan sea salt, man. Northern Monk ale, if you don't know now you know. Reduced down. Finished with a sprig of thyme, a dollop of creme fraiche and some fresh red chillies. And I just cooked it for ages. I've just been pottering about. Oh mate. If you could smell it, I mean, it's ridiculous really. And the meat is just, it's so tender, it's just falling to pieces. Look at that. Are you even getting in there? Mate. Potato, good. Let's have a go on this parsnip. Big fan of snips. Lovely and sweet. And the creme fraiche just gives it a bit of a creamy edge, and the chilli, that little hit of spice, I think just goes well. Freshens it up. All done in a king size Yorkshire pudding. So let's have a bit of pudding, because as the King of Yorkshire, I mean the King of Yorkshire wouldn't have got a ready-made Yorkshire pudding, to be fair. He would have made one, his supplies. He'd have made one somehow, but the logistics of it, man. I just wanted just one pot cooking, because where I am is quite off the beaten track. It's quite a trek to get to, and I don't want to be carrying unnecessary stuff just to, you know, just to cook with. I bought loads of stuff anyway. So we've got carrot. There you go, look. And that sauce with the Northern Monk reduction, it's simply divine. Simply divine. I don't really have a message in this one. It's not shows your steak or out like that. Mate, this is fantastic. Even if I do say so myself. The Yorkshire pudding has taken on the smoke from the fire, so it's like a smoky Yorkie. Smokes your pudding. It's just tender as you like. Can you see? Can you tell what it is yet? Boom. Just pulls to pieces. I'll tell you what I'll do. This isn't for everyone. Some people like to see some of the gardening that I've done. Some people find it painstakingly boring. I like it, and if I was watching, I'd want to see it, so I'll do it. So yeah, I'll let you have a little look at a recent project. Low maintenance, that was the key. That's as it is these days. Everybody wants low maintenance, no flowers, no borders or anything like that, which is a shame because it's not the sort of garden that I would like, but I've just got to design them to the customer's taste and to their budget. So that's what I did. But I made a. What I'm proud of is when we've done a few of these, but often you'll get a side of the house in England anyway. A lot of these new builds will have the side of the house, and it's just dead space. There's nothing to it. So I built a lean-to, a lot better than you would find out in the woods. I built a proper lean-to shed with 2 doors on it. It was about 12 foot in depth, so you can fit a good few bikes in there, lawnmower, and put some locks on it and everything. Felt roof, so it's waterproof. I'm pleased with that. Anyway, I'll let you have a look. There we are, grey patio, grey stone circle, 4 metre circular lawn. It's a blank canvas. That's what they wanted, that's what they get. A whole new fence. We took all these trees out here to let in the light. As you can see, it's a bit sunny, so you can't really catch anything. Full ranch panel fence. Yeah, look at this, look, yeah. Hidden manhole cover, 3 different materials. Cheers. Patio, oh, what's that? Just another hidden manhole cover. And then, to utilise the space at the side of the house, which is, it's usually dead space, I built this custom lean-to shed. It's got a gate at the front and a gate at the back, just joists, board on top, and then felt on the top, featherboard the sides, put some paving in, and then it goes all the way through. But just to keep your bikes and your, look at latch and lock on that, look, one of my own, look, proud of her. Just filled in these triangular bits with some timber we had left. Yeah, you see it outside, it's like just a feather edge on it. And there we are, we paved around the front, blue slate in there, circular lawn to match the back, paved in front of the door, and there you go. That's the job done. No doubt I'll be handing you back to I'll be handing you back to future Hazy in the woods, or up a mountain, or on the beach, or in jail, or in a brothel or something. Yeah, signing off. That's another job done. There you go. So I know that it's been raining today, and when I got here I dug down. See, here it's just the pine needles they're not deep at all like in some places. Always check. So I've dug down, I've seen that the soil is wet. It's forecast a lot of rain tomorrow, tonight, and the next few days. So I know that it's safe to have a fire, but in summer you've always got to be careful. That goes to anyone who's new, who's who feels inspired to go camping, because I do feel a bit bad sometimes because I see maybe litter or fire at camps that haven't been put away properly and fires that haven't been dealt with properly, and I would hate to think that I was a part of inspiring people to get out who weren't ready to go out and who didn't treat their environment with respect. So always make sure that your fire is completely out. Just know your environment, know your ground, check the weather forecast. Try not to have fires in summer, in the peak of summer when we've had a dry spell. There's no need really, unless you really know what you're doing. There's just no need. Right. It's quite a decent hike out of here, so I'm going to do that. And I'm also another reason why I came into the woods was to find some wood. I need to find maybe a bit of hazel or something straight, because I'm going to make right, I can hear flowing water, so I'll maybe have a look down here. See if there's somewhere suitable to Dunkeen the Junkeen. Look at that, man. Right, this is interesting. Come and have a look. Oh, there's a danger sign already. My middle name. It's not. Oh no, mate. Oh! Ah, no, don't bother. Cut my legs to bits. Don't want to get dragged down that way, do I? It does look. It looks a tad like reedy and dark. So that's lols. Can you see me even? No, light's fading anyway because it's getting on a bit. Sun will soon be going in. But I end up going in there for a little dunkus of the drunkus, eh? Oh yeah, one more thing. First of all, thank you to everybody who has bought a patch and sticker combo. I get a lot of people saying, "Oh, I can't wait to get it, mate. I'm gonna sew it onto me bag or whatever." And you don't need to with these ones. They're iron-on. You can iron them onto whatever you want. So instead of buying a t-shirt off from my shop, just get a patch. Cheap t-shirt from Primark for £3. Buy a patch, £7. Sew it on, iron it onto there. Bob's your uncle. Tenner. Tenner, here's t-shirt. That's a life hack. Done myself there, but gotta share the knowledge. A late summer's evening. Midweek. Tuesday, no less. Ah, mate, it's cold on the skin, but still away go. Take GoPro with me to give you some in-water shots. Yeah, so... Oh. Yeah, link below for patches. Iron them on. It's as simple as that, and you can put them wherever you want. Turn any plain garment into a fancy haze garment. Right, come on. Link below. Obviously, I'm only part joking. I'm eternally grateful for everyone who does support the channel by buying the patches and stickers. Oh. Right, okay. Enough of this now. Shall I get you on? I'll get you on the GoPro as well. Curse. If I get eaten, we want to have it. You want a bit of sea, don't you? Right, go. Oh my god, it's real deep, mate. It's really deep, just straight off the bank. It's quite intimidating, but I'm a professional idiot and I can't be. What the? It's quite grim, quite grim. Quite grim. I'm just going to jump in. Stop mucking about, because why not? Oh mate, it's all sorts of weird gear in here. Right, sod it. Oh, it's cold, mate, but webs. I'll sign off from in here, I think. Oh no, I better get out just in case you might. Oh, I'm touching reeds and stuff. Oh, I love it though. Look at that as well. Just an old ruin. An old ruin there. And a bridge. And a Yorkshire lad in soup. Eee! Right, get cold, get out. How do I get out? I can't get out. Oh no. Oh mate, I'm stuck. Right, can someone phone? Oh no, I've got a grip. I've got it. Jeez. I'll tell you what. It's not easy getting out. I'm out. What a mint day. Until next time. And that's to all you lads and lasses. Later. Later.